Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about XOS Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop, how to connect your wallet, and how to complete tasks in order to get extra points. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. First, we need to use Mises browser, so open this application and I will leave you a link down below in the description box. Copy that link and paste it here. It should be like this, so hit enter. Then you will land on this page, and as you can see, you need a referral code to start working in this project. If you clicked on the link down below in the description box, as I told you before, the referral code should be like this one. But if you didn't find it for some reasons, I'll leave the same referral code down below in the description box. Just copy and paste it here. And then click on Redeem Invite Code. Next, click on Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask Wallet. Here, you need to copy and paste your MetaMask Wallet password and click on Unlock. Then they will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will ask you to add Arbit from one network, so click on Approve. If they show you an error message like I have here, click on Cancel and try to turn on any kind of VPN. After you turned on VPN, click on Try Again. Scroll down a little bit and click on Approve. Wait a few seconds until they confirming your wallet, and they will show you this message, which is sign in request. So scroll down a little bit and click on Confirm. Now you will land on the dashboard, and as you can see, I don't have any points yet. If we scroll down, we will see some tasks that we need to complete, and I will show you how to do that in just a few seconds. And here you will see there is a check-in box. You need to log in into your account every day and check in to get extra points. But before being able to check in, you need to verify your Twitter account or Discord channel, and I will show you how to do that in just a few seconds. Scroll down and here you will see your referral code if you want to invite your friends. And the last section, which is spin. Here you need to log in into your account every day, and every time you check in 10 days in a row, they will give you one spin for free, and that spin will give you extra points, somewhere between 100 and 800. So it's very important to log in into your account every day and complete the check-in process. Now let me show you how to complete these tasks. I will skip verify Twitter for now, and I will show you how to join their Discord server. Click on Join Discord. They will redirect you to another page. So just scroll down and click on Authorize and wait a few seconds. they will redirect you back to the dashboard. And as you can see, they gave me 20 points for completing that task. Now scroll down and click on check in. And as you can see, they give me another 14 points. Now let me show you how to verify your Twitter account. And again, you need to log in into your X account before. Click on Verify Twitter. You will land on this page, so click on Authorize App. And they will redirect you back to the same dashboard. Now click on Follow Twitter. And follow their account on X platform. Now if we go back to the dashboard, I showed you how to complete all these tasks, but again, you need to log in into your account every day and click on check in now to get extra points. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about this project, and as you see, it was pretty simple. By the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this one. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. It contains all the links that you need. See you later guys. Good luck.